Okay, ash is not pronounced in French. It can be silent or aspirated. So there are two cases in French as we call them silent or aspirated. Silent means it can be linked with another word before it, like there is an example, le, om. Le means the, as in English, the definite pronoun, the. So le, le, om, which means man. So together they become l'homme because ash here is silent. Okay, so l'homme. When it is aspirated, it can't be linked. Example, la ash. So ash means aches. So la is like le but feminine. So it is a definite pronoun but for feminine words because ash is an a feminine word. Okay, la ash. So here you cannot like here you cannot link it like la ash lash. Okay, so la ash it remain separated. Okay, but you have to know that silent or aspirated, both of them are pronounced and not her. Okay, so even if, because I have seen many people and sometime even some French teacher, they pronounce it her. So they say that whenever it is aspirated you have to pronounce it her, and no, in both of the cases it is pronounced as if it doesn't exist. So whenever it is like acceptance, it is the same thing. In fact, for ash, you have to learn by heart all words in French, starting with ash. So you have to know them by heart if it is silent or aspirated ash. Okay.